Hello dear children, how are you all? Yes, I know you all are fine, right? Yes, and today we are going to learn something new. Okay, now all of you stand in front of a mirror. Yes, come on fast. Very good. Now all of you look at yourself. Okay, now can you see this? You know what we call it? Yes, this is our body. What we call it, children? This is our body. And one more thing you know? Yes, our body has different parts. There are different parts in our body. You know that, children? Our body have different parts. And all those different parts do different action and different work. Okay, like hands. What action hands do? It do the action of writing. We work with our hands. Same way legs. Can legs write? No. What legs can do, children? We walk with our legs. So different body parts do different action. So we are going to learn about parts of our body. What we are going to learn, children? Parts of the body. Okay, now first of all of you have to stand. All of you stand up. Very good. Now you have to look at me and you have to do that action. Okay, all of you touch here. Tell me now, you have to tap here. Come on, all of you tap. What is this? Come on. Yes, head. What is this, children? Head. So which is the first body part? Yes, head. Can you see your girl? Yes, this is her head. All of you show me your head. Yes, very good. Now tap your head. Correct. Yes. Now our next body part is, yes, what is this? Eyes. How many eyes do you have, children? Yes, we have 2 eyes. How many eyes do you have, children? Yes, we have 2 eyes. And what you do with your eyes? Correct. We see with our eyes. What we do with our eyes? Yes, we see with our eyes. Okay, now you tell me, if you want to see where your book is and how you are writing in your book, with what do you see? Yes, we see with our eyes. When we go out or when you sit in front of TV, right? All of you watch cartoon. With what do you see? Yes, we see with our eyes. And after eyes, which body part is this? All of you touch. If you touch, you will able to remember, children. So all of you touch with me. What is this? Correct. Ears. What it is, children? Ears. Tell me, what you do with your ears? Yes, we listen, we hear with our ears. Suppose if you don't have ear, will you able to hear? No. If your mummy calls you and if you don't have ear, will you able to hear your mummy's voice? No. When teacher teach in the class, what she does, she makes you write. She speak and you listen. You sing rhymes, right? Teacher sing and you listen. Then you repeat after teacher. So with what do you listen, children? Yes, we listen with our ears. And if you are not able to listen, will you able to listen all nice songs in the TV? No. For all this, for listening, we need ears. So with what do you listen, children? We hear with our ears. So now 3 body parts we have learned. Come on, all of you repeat after me. Head. All of you touch your head and show. Head. Then eyes. Tell me how many eyes you have? Correct. 2 eyes. Eyes and ears. Now, okay, after that, which body part is this? All of you come on, show me. What is this? Lips. All of you show me your lips. Yes. All of you come on, show me your lips. Yes. This is our lips. Okay, when we talk, our lips move, right? So, these are our lips. Okay, next. Now, yes, all of you come on, raise your hand. So what is this, children? Correct, hands. What is this? Hands. And okay, what you do with your hand? Yes, we work with our hands. And there you are having something, 5 in this hand and 5 in this hand. So what are these, children? Come on, all of you move. Correct, fingers. What are these, children? Fingers. Now do one thing. All of you show me your fingers. Now make your finger dance. Yes, very good. So how many fingers you have, children? 10. How many fingers we have? 10. So this is hand and these are fingers. Yes. What you do with your fingers? We hold things. Suppose if I want to hold this pencil, with what I will hold? Yes, with my finger. Okay. Very good. And our next body part is chest. Okay, this is a chest. All of you show me your chest. Yes, very good. And next, I will tell you something. All of you listen. Okay, when you are hungry, how you come to know? Yes, yes, something happens in your stomach. Very good. So, all of you show me your stomach. Where is your stomach? Correct. This is your stomach. So, when you are hungry, you come to know. Yes, because you feel hungry in your stomach. So, you come to know that now I am hungry. So, all of you show me your stomach. Very good. Can you see this picture? Yes, see your stomach, hands, chest and fingers. Very good. After that, we are having knees. All of you here, you bend, you kneel down, right children? How you kneel down? With the knee. Correct. So, all of you, you can kneel down and you can see. Okay. So, this is your knee. All of you show me your knee. Yes, in this picture, can you see the knee? Here. Very good. All of you show me your knee. Come on. All of you kneel down and show me. Very good children. And the last body part is legs. Now tell me what you do with your leg? Yes, we walk, we run. Yes. So, our legs help us to move. If I want to go from one place to another, how will I go? With my hands I can go? No. For that, what I will use, children? Yes, I will use my legs because we move with our legs. We walk with our legs. We run with our legs. So, how many body parts we have learned, children? Again, we are going to revise it. All of you say with me. Head. All of you say head. Then eyes. You can look here in this picture. Okay, now say head. Can you see head here? Yeah. The next part is eyes. All of you show me your eyes. Ears. Then ears. All of you show me your ears. Correct. Then lips. Very good. Then hand. Show me your hands. Can you see hands? Then fingers. All of you show me your fingers. Then chest. After chest, we have stomach. All of you show me your stomach. Very good. After stomach, knee. Yes, knees. And the last is legs. Now I am going to ask you few questions. You all are good children. So I know you all remember different body parts, right? So we are going to do some question. Okay. Yes, this we have already learned. How many eyes and ears do we have? All of you come on, point out your eyes and now point out your ears. So, how many eyes you have, children? Yes, you have to say we have 2 eyes and 2 ears. All of you repeat. We have 2 eyes and 2 ears. Very good. The next is how many hands and legs do we have? Okay, all of you show me your hand. All of you raise your hand. Yes. Now touch your legs. Very good. Now tell me, how many hands and legs you have? Yes, we have 2 hands and 2 legs. All of you come on, show me your hands again. We have 2 hands. Can you see 2 hands? Yes, and 2 legs. All of you touch your legs. Very good. Our next question is, yes, this you all know. How do you walk? With your hands you walk? No, we use our legs to walk. So, what we will say? We walk with our legs. Again, we walk with our legs. Once again, children, we walk with our legs. Very good. Now, how do you see? Yes, this I know the answer. We see with our ears, right? No? Then how you all see? Yes, we see with our eyes. All of you show me your eyes. Yes, eye. So, we see with our eyes. All of you point out. We see with our eyes. Very good. Next question is, how do you hear? Yes, very good. So, we hear with our ears. Once again children, we hear with our ears. Again, we hear with our ears. Very good. And the last question is, what do you do with your nose? All of you show me your nose. Yes, right. Now tell me, what do you do with your nose? Yes, we smell with our nose. What we do with our nose? We smell with our nose. If we want to breathe, we breathe with our nose. If we want to smell, if any perfume or rose, how we smell? Yes, we smell with our nose. Yes, when any smell comes from the nose, you come to know, yeah, mummy is preparing something delicious, right? So, with what do you smell, children? All of you point out and say, we smell with our nose. So, now what you are going to do? You all are good children. So, you have to sit with your parents and you have to learn different parts of the body very well. And you must know the uses of different parts of the body. So, be a good children and study well. Thank you.
Dear students, do remember to hit that like and subscribe button and press the bell icon too.